Now, did you know that you can invite various teammates from your business into your merchant admin and give them their own independent access to operate on your admin, do things on their behalf using their own accounts? This is very handy if you'd like to split work across your team, across your employees, maybe assign posting products to one person and assign fulfilling orders to, let's say, your shop attendant or your shelf attendant. Let's say you rent a shelf at Nairobi CBD. You can delegate the work of fulfilling orders to them. You could give them their role and give them access to your specific this admin of yours, and they can fulfill orders on their behalf. So let's go ahead and learn how to do this. So from your homepage, what you want to do is first go to settings, then go to user management, right? Then we'll start with the role that we want to give this person that we want to invite. So I'm going to do a shelf attendant. I want to say shelf attendant, right? Now for the shelf attendant, I want them to be able to, sorry, I want them to be able to uh, do orders and products. So look for, what we'll do is enable all order permissions, right? Then look for products. So they'll be able to create a product. Let's look for products. We'll give them all product permissions and all order permissions, so that when someone asks if a specific product is in stock, we can the attendant can simply check your admin, quickly search for a product, and you know uh, determine whether the product is available or not. So we've given them all product permissions and all order permissions. So let's go ahead and now create this role. So now we have this role called shelf attendants. Let's confirm all the permissions are there. So yeah, they can do order and uh, what's it called, product actions. So now the next thing to do is to invite the user, right? So for me, I'm going to invite my, so we start with the email of the person you want to invite. uh, then for the role, we'll give them the role that we've just created called shelf attendant. Oh, this person is already here. So let me go ahead and remove this person, then invite them again. So also you can learn how to remove people from your, let's say now this person is, maybe you've unfortunately you've had to let this person go. This is how you remove access from uh, your merchant admin, right? So let's go ahead and remove the user. Now let's go back and invite this user. So again, then for the email, it's a shelf attendant we're inviting. So now the shelf attendant will go ahead and check the email. Let me check my email. Okay, so that's the email. Wait. Okay. So if you check this email, we'll see that that's the link. So assuming I'm the person being invited now, I'll come check my email and click this link, right? So right now, if I click it, it won't work because I'm currently logged in with a different email address. So now I have to log out and log back in with that email. So I'll log out, then come log in, get a magic link, check my email. That's the email, and log in. If I didn't have an account, which might be the case for most people, they have to sign up. So they have to go to the sign up page, create their own account, put the same process that you went through while you were signing up on Uzanga is the same process that that person must go through, so that they can now uh, be able to now join your account. You get, basically, you have to have your own individual account for you to be able to join someone else's account. Okay, So at the moment, we can see I'm not a part of the School of Uzanga business. It's not listed here in the businesses that I have access to. So what I need to do is go back to the invites, the email invites, and click the link again now that I'm logged in. And now that I'm logged in with the same account that was invited, I can now, if we click here, we can see that we are now a part of School of Uzanga, right? So let's switch to School of Uzanga. And now we have access to only what was give to only the permission to what was given us, to only the permissions that were given to us, right? Which were products and orders. If I try to check the wallet, I can't see the wallet. Why? Because I am a shelf attendant. I don't have the permission to check the wallet for this business, right? So for products, I can see them, I can see the prices. If it's an order, I'm a shelf attendant, someone has come to pick their shop pickup order, I can come look for that order on the merchant admin and you know, continue business as usual, give out the package. So yeah, that's how you add different people with different roles to your merchant admin. Then you can now give them access to, they can now operate independently from their own phones and help you do tasks, do work on your website, right? So thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.